Right, by the power of Grayskull, I actually managed to get that moving using an ancient blacksmithing technique called a big hammer and a chisel. So I couldn't get that to move, so I'm trying a bottle jack. It's not quite tall enough, so I put a hammer in. So this is either going to go really well or not. So bollocks. Alright. Well, I've never seen that before. Right, some pressure. So anus. Right, that looks like an old file was no good as a bottle jack lever. So I think I'll stick a load of rust remover on and go and have my tea. So, right, until tomorrow. Oh. Hello, son. Hello, come and see your dad. Nah, good lad. Right, tea time.